Hello everyone, Toby from abletondrummer.com here, and I have two new Max for Live devices for the Erae Touch 2, and it's a simple preset selection so you can automate the selection of the Erae Touch 2 here from within Ableton Live, and you can set up MIDI controllers, and you can as well, and that's new about the Erae Touch 2 here, you have a looper built inside, and you have projects where you can store the things you played on the Erae Touch 2, and you can see you can actually now access and change go to different presets, go to different projects. Yeah, I always confuse layouts, which are called presets or layouts, and you have projects inside those different layouts or inside the Erae Touch 2 where you can play different things, record those things. So this is a short video just to let you know that the devices exist. So you just actually need to go into your MIDI preferences. You need to select your Erae Touch MIDI track output. You need to activate this. Let me quickly show you. You can see that here. So if you go to your tempo link tempo MIDI section, and in the bottom section here you just select the Erae Touch MIDI as a track output, and then you create a MIDI track. And then when you got the Max for Live devices from mine, you can set them on this MIDI track here. You then select the Erae Touch 2 as a MIDI port here, so it receives the MIDI from those Max for Live devices here now, and you are now able to change those different things here via just clicking on there, or via setting up a MIDI controller to listen to that, or key commands, or via automations. So inside a clip, if you go to the Erae Touch layout selector here, for example, you go to the layer menu, and now you are able to set up different layout selections automatically. So when this clip is playing, you can see here that this is changing accordingly. Okay, so there is more information if you wanna check that out. Follow the link in the video description here below at abletondrummer.com, and you can get those devices. Those are Max for Live devices. Max for Live is needed to make use of those, which is included in Ableton Live Suite. So this will work with 10, 11, and 12, and you will need Max for Live. You can get this as an add-on towards Ableton Live Standard as well, just so you know. And check out the link below if you want to find out more about those devices.